Hello, good morning, everyone. So, welcome to another session of Pre-Bill. So, let us wait for 1 more minute. So, exactly, we'll start around 8:47. Okay, once again, very good morning, everyone. So, welcome to Pre-Bill with the TraderSmith India. So, before starting this webinar, would like to give a disclaimer. So, whatever we are going to presentation in this webinar, please consider it. Do not consider it as a recommendation. So this is only for education purpose. So do not consider it as a investment advice. Okay. So let us see key news which happened yesterday night. So all yesterday's trading session, it was a very volatile trading session, where afternoon the news came from Russia, like the partial military mobilization they are going through. After that, Nifty has turned very volatile. Even people, majority of the people were expecting rate hikes from the US Federal Reserve. So all most of the 70% of the analysts are expecting somewhere around 75 basis of rate hike. So that is what came in line with the expectation. So US Federal Reserve hikes the 75 basis rate hike. Now it currently stands at 3% to 3.25%. So also this is what almost we expected. But US Federal Reserve also given input for the next further rate hikes. So they are going to be aggressive rate hikes in the coming few quarters. So already they have given a few projection for this year end. So if you see in 2022, it would like it may move towards 4%. So that is what they are expecting, and in 2023 it's going to be 4.4% to 4.6%. So obviously, what US Federal Reserve are thinking to curb the inflation, so rate hike is a necessary part. So what we can expect is inflation here to stay. So it is very negative news for like emerging markets like India and other Asian markets. Also, they have expected GDP growth expected at 0.2% in 2022. So there will be a kind of uh, slow economic recovery we can see in the US market. So US dollar index at closed at all 52-week high around $111. So it is somewhere around almost 20 years it has does this level. So dollar index at very alt 52-week high, and crude it at continues to trade at sideways around near $90 per barrel. So it is kind of critical stage for crude, and today I think furthermore inventory will come. So let us wait for its trading, and currently trading at very support level. So let us wait for crude oil, which due today night, and rupee at all-time low at $80. So this is very bad news for India. So it's currently trading at $80. And other key news are Gland Pharma got its US FDA note for dorazol hydrochloride. This is basically used for glaucoma purposes. And Triveni Engineering divested around 21% stake in Triveni Turbine. So somewhere around 11% they have sold the stake to Macquarie investment, and others 10% they are selling it to promoters. So IDBI Bank completes the sale of entire stake of Ageas Federal Life Insurance company. So these are the key news. And after that, after US Federal Reserve, which has given a Fed rate hike, all the US indices some closed near its almost 2 weeks low. So it's currently trading at near trading its correction level. So it's closed around nearly around 1.7%. Also, if you see Asian markets, it's almost except Shanghai, all the indexes are trading near 1%, 1.5%. Except EU, yesterday's close were very good for European markets, so it's closed around 0.6%. But the actual after the event, we have to see in today's afternoon session. So it's going to be a very volatile session for Indian market. And let us go to the what derivative says. So if you see in the both Nifty and Bank Nifty, the PCR stands below 1, so it's kind of negative for in terms of option data. So key resistance level is 18,000 and 18,200 in terms of OI perspective, and key support at 17,500 and 17,000. For Bank Nifty, 43 and 42,000. So 40 and 40,000, 41,000 on the downside. So it's somewhere around 1,000 point of difference in Bank Nifty. So let us move on to Nifty chart. So what does it say? So if you see here, this is a daily chart of Nifty 50. So after it, this blue line is a 21 DMA for Nifty 50. So it is almost hovering around this level. And if you see the broad perspective, it's trading in the sideways range. So, and also if you see some 4-5 days, it's almost gaining gap down and gap ups are which is happening in the Nifty. So today also it is going to be open in a gap down somewhere around 17,600. So what we can derive is 17,500. Also, if you see in the option data, 17,500 is a key level. Also, in terms of technical support, there is some support around 17,500 followed by 17,400. So we can expect some after gap down opening. So it may touch 17,500, 17,400 levels in couple of sessions. On the upside, it is continued to be 17,900 is a key level. So once it breaks out only around 17,900, we can see the further upside in the Nifty. So until then, the indexes continue to be in this sideways range. Okay, and we'll come to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has clearly outperformed Nifty from last 1 month. So it's continued to be trading above its all key moving average. But if you see from last 4-5 days, this is also turning into be a sideways range. And also if you see the momentum has been trending in the sideways range. So what we can expect is this 40,500, 40,000 is a key level on the downside. So breaking below this level, it might move towards again 40,000 level. So that is a key level for Bank Nifty. And if it breaks below this 21 DMA, so once again, it might touch 39,000 level in the coming few sessions. So on the upside, 41,000, 42,000 is a key level on the upside, key resistance level. Until then, until it's trading below this 42,000, Bank Nifty likely to consolidate here in this particular range. Okay, so that on the downside, this is a broad zone of 1,500, 2,000 points. So we likely to see a very volatile session in today's and in coming days. So the key events are the key trigger for all the majority indexes. So thank you for joining this session. We would like to join the another session which is going to be happen in today's evening. So Bazar Pe Charcha, where we discuss all the key indexes, its sectors, and what are going to be which going to happen in the next couple of weeks. So please join that session in the Bazar Pe Charcha in the evening 4:30. Thank you for joining this session. Trade safe, trade cautiously in this volatile market. Thank you.